like a pro.
Capita.
Okay, y'all, so I am so excited. I am on my way to get my hair done by Kim Kimble. Kim Kimble, y'all! If you don't know who Kim Kimble is, she is a phenomenal celebrity hairstylist. She's an OG, like she's a real OG, and I really appreciate her talents and her art. And she has a phenomenal team as well. Like I can tell she's really picky about the people that she chooses and selects to work aside her. And so she is been known for being Beyonce's hairstylist for years. She's also been known to do many Super Bowl performances. J-Lo, Shakira, I want to say J-Lo, I know Shakira for sure. Mary J. Blige. I mean, Kim Kimble is a staple in the hair industry, and she's also been department head for many different movies as well. And I'm so excited. So she released a new product, and she's only releasing it in Wal Mart, and so she's here in the A, and she was literally down the street from me, and I was like, am I confused? She's coming to do hair? And I don't get my hair done that often by other this sun is really glaring, Lord. I don't get my hair done often, and especially by other hairstylists. I'm just very selective about that, just because I know how much I love hair, and I want somebody to love on my hair the same way I love on everybody else's. So I'm gonna go get my hair done by Kim Kimble. She's gonna use, I believe, her product line, of course. And I'm also going to purchase some products too, guys, so I can try it out on some of my clients and review it, see how I like it. I'm a product junkie sometimes when it comes to like new effective things that work. So being that she has so much knowledge, and you know, she's been in the industry for so long, I'm sure she is well versed in products and what works, and for, you know, a multitude of different hair textures. So I'm so excited, y'all. I'm on my way now, and when I get done, I'm not sure if they're gonna allow me to record in there or not. So if they do, y'all will get some of that good footage. If not, I'm gonna definitely take pictures, but I will show y'all my hair when I get done. So y'all, I'm just so excited. Y'all have no idea. I'm so excited. I am so excited. So y'all, if y'all don't know, just a couple of the projects that Kim Kimble has worked on. I know she's the department head for Euphoria, and a reason why I do know that is because my sister is a music coordinator for ABC Signature out in LA, and she was just like, Kim Kimble, when I told her I was getting my hair done, she was like, you're getting your hair done by Kim Kimble? Oh my god, I love her. She's department head. And I was like, really? Wow. This lady just everywhere. And she also did Black is King. She did Ivy Park that dropped. Sorry guys, phone's going off. So I mean, and those are just a few of her work that I, you know, that comes to the top of my head. But she had a show on TV. I think it was on WeTV, and I love the show. It was just like such good, clean, comedy, and it was really fun to see her actually in the salon. So like I said, y'all, I'm just so excited. Been trying to stay in frame, sorry, and I'm driving, and yeah, so we're gonna see how my hair turns out, and I'm sure it's gonna turn out good. And it's not that I don't like getting my hair done by other stylists, I'm just sometimes hairstylists, we are like the worst clients because we are so picky, and we think that when we get our hair done by another stylist that, you know, they're gonna do things as we would do. And I don't necessarily believe that. Like, I'm all for, you know, everybody has different techniques and different ways that they do hair, but I am big on quality. I just can't compromise on that. And in today's climate of hairstylists, you know, it's just, quality is just kind of, you know, if you get it, you get it, but a lot of times you don't. And that's a hot point for me. That's just not something that I'm willing to compromise on. So yeah, we're gonna see how this works out. But like I said, she's been an indirect mentor for me. I'm really big on mentorship and learning from those in the industry, because I just don't know everything. None of us knows everything, and it's really important to gain insight and information and knowledge and wisdom from other stylists. And especially in my case, I'm a first generation hairstylist. Well, I'll take it back. I think my great grandmother, yes, my great grandmother on my dad's side was a hairstylist. I didn't even know that. I didn't even know where I got my talent or my, you know, my natural gifts from. I had no idea like how that was running through my DNA, because as far as I was concerned, I just been doing hair my whole life. But so I've always kind of sought out, you know, different people to kind of pour into me, and sometimes it's been a challenge, but lately I've had more wins than losses in that category. And I feel good, you know, I feel good, and I'm excited. I'm really excited to meet her. You know, she's really been an inspiration and to me, and it's just really, it's gonna be cool to kind of put an actual physical face to these people that you only typically get to see through a screen. So all right, y'all, almost there. Now you would think that I know my way, so where of course I'm going, Wal Mart that is, because I'm not sure. Well, you know, Wal Mart, sometimes they have hair salons inside of their stores. I thought it was a bug. I'm petrified of bugs, all bugs. But yeah, so you know how Walmarts, they have, like, you know, hair salons inside of their stores, and I think that she's, you know, using their salons, which I think is so neat, to service her guests. And she's actually not taking a whole lot of people, and I love they had like different slots that you could choose from. It was very organized, very structured, very easy to book. And yeah, so I'm looking forward to that. And this GPS then took me all out the way. Like, I done knew a whole shortcut. Now this thing got me arriving right at my time slot, and I'm a little irritated with that, because how that look? So now I gotta beat the time my GPS said. So now I'm gonna turn it to a road runner. So I'm about to turn up in here. I actually made it. Dang. I mean, why you gotta... Anyways, I actually made it right on time, right at the time. So I gotta power walk in here, y'all. So I'm so excited. Walmart, we here, we in this thing. All right, so I'm almost 100% certain they're not gonna let me video camera in there, and I really want to record so bad, but I'm gonna try to get what I can with my phone, and like I said, pictures. All right, so see y'all in a minute. All right, y'all, so it's dark, but y'all, when I tell you this was like the best experience, hair salon experience, that I feel like I've ever had. She was just so humble. It was such a pleasure meeting her. Her team was even greater. Like, I can tell that They were an extension of her, and my hair is flowing like they flat ironed the devil out this hair. It's no residue. The products don't leave any film, and they're sold in Walmart, so they're pretty much accessible for everybody. And y'all, my hair feels so good, and they use her flat iron, her blow dryer. The blow dryer got my hair smooth. The flat iron, they use a pretty thick, like 2-inch flat iron, and let's look. So I can't wait to try these products out. I'm excited. Kim Kimble might be on to something here, because I'm all about the quality. I am all for the quality, and I love my hair. I love how good it feels. I really, really do, and I enjoy myself. Now I'm hungry, so y'all will see me in my next video. Peace. Okay, y'all, so I'm in better lighting. I decided to get a little footage in my bathroom so you could actually see my hair. But even though it's just, your traditional silk press, like, I'm more impressed with the level of quality of her products, considering, they're in Walmart. And this isn't to say that Walmart doesn't have good brands, but you traditionally don't find professional products in Walmart. And I think this is such a good way to kind of break that mold, introducing something new, something reliable. And y'all, look, let me tell y'all, I came in here prepared to purchase everything that I wanted to try. But I walked away with a bag full of free goodies. Everything that I planned to purchase, the Kim Kimble team gave it to me for free. So in my next video, my part 2, you will see me actually using these products, and I'll be able to walk you through my review, and I'll be able to kind of let you know, where I stand on all of her products. So thank you all for coming along with me. And I'll see y'all in my next video.